be on the lam the rest of our lives? Always feeling the hot breath of Johnny Law on our necks?
No! Me! As elite units go, we're the elitist of the elite. Top shelf in the Bureau. An ultimate. Plus one. Where'd Private go? Oh, there he is.
D3.
Oh, Private. How much is he?
It's $3.50.
That's outrageous. Even for Private.
Sir, the machine is alive.
I don't think I like your attitude, vending machine. Or your prices. Release them.